easy daily beauty hacks you must try. Hack number 1. Do you want glowing and clear skin? Drink methi water every day. This helps you to improve your digestion and reduce acidity problem. Helps glowing skin by detoxifying the body, reduce your hair fall and promotes hair growth. Control your blood sugar levels and balance your hormones and control your cravings also. Soak 1 teaspoon methi seeds in water overnight. Drink the water and chew the seeds in morning on an empty stomach. It boosts skin glow and keep your hair healthy. Hack number 2. People are wasting too much money trying to make their face look clean, but I have the solution for you. Try gua sha. Gua sha helps you slim the face naturally without anything. It boosts your blood circulation, reduces your puffiness and face swelling, lifts and tones the face naturally. It makes sharp your jawline and reduce your double chin. Apply any oil or serum on your face and hold the gua sha like this. Stretch your face. Please don't press too hard on your face. Just keep the tool nearly flat. Glide from chin to ear. Defines jawline and lifts the face. After that, do in on your cheeks. Move from nose toward ears. Then apply on your full face. I have applied 5 minutes on one side. You can see the difference between the both sides. And if you want best result, then apply it daily in your routine. Hack number 3. Are you still using plastic combs? Stop it now. Instead of this, use wooden comb. It reduces your hair fall, keeps your hair healthy, and use it regularly. You will see the difference. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel.